Tyree, you training for that boxing shit? You really are? You studying Mike Tyson, Iron Mike? Good on you, brother. Yeah, I study that shit too when I'm bored, dude. I really do. This is a shovel. Very great tool. Build up strength. It's a halberd in the right hands. So, let's see what we can do with it. Good for building up strength, cardio. Tyree, you train, right? You train? Oh, I forgot you do push-ups. You do push-ups, Tyree? Cute. Cute. I noticed something. How come you won't call out? Why don't you ever mention my name or call me out? It's because I'm white. You just ain't interested, right? Because I'm not black. Huh? Is that what it is, Tyree? Or are you fucking scared? Fucking box me, dude. Box me. Get beat up. You've got insurance. You have free insurance, Tyree. The fuck are you afraid of? Shovel's kind of a new thing I've just been fucking with. Any weapon we can get our hands on, boys, turn it into a weapon. It's really cute that you do push-ups and talk all that shit though, Tyree. Adorable. It's fucking adorable. Just box me, dude. Get it over with. Shit. I'll wear MMA gloves. Seriously, I'll wear MMA gloves so I don't cut you up too much with my knuckles. You can go bare-fisted, dude. That don't bother me one bit. Shit, I might even wear some gloves, but expect me to motherfucking kick. And trust me, my front push kick is deadly right now. I'll get you right here, buddy. I'll get you right there with that. Get too close, you're getting a knee. Get too close, you're gonna take a knee right there. But Tyree, you don't fucking train, dude. You tried to train at a gym, and we ran you out. You got scared to go back because you know those people are fighters. You know they are. You know, you called yourself the greatest fighter in the world, right? Why didn't you spar anybody? Why didn't you talk to anybody at the fight gym? I mean, that is a place to meet fighters. Talk to them, learn from them. But no, your ignorant ass can't do that. You can't fucking listen. You don't know how to fucking listen. Just shut the fuck up and listen sometimes. There's people out there who are better than you at everything you do. Same with me. That's why I train. So I can get up to their level, surpass, get to another level, surpass, get to another level. You and your little push-ups ain't training, bro. You ain't fucking training shit. All right. And if anyone was gonna shoot you with the bows, Tyree, it would be me. Shit, I swear to God, I'll hit you with a little blunt tip with this in the neck, Tyree. I'll hit you right in the fucking neck with one of these, with a blunt tip, so it don't pierce, but it's gonna hurt. This motherfucker right here, though, this would kill you. So I'm the one with the bows, not Nutward TV. So quit talking about what are you gonna do, shoot me with the bow? I would be the one to do that, but I ain't gonna do that. That fucking shit take too much time. Post up in a fucking spot with my bow. Like, what do you think, I'm a fucking hunting Tyree Sneeds? Your fucking brain is all over the place, dude. Why do you want to live like that anyways, Tyree? But anyways, I do want to fight you. Beat that motherfucking ass, guaranteed. Because I legitimately train any weapon I can get my hands on. Anything. Anything I can get my hands on. Right? Those are pistol guards. Shoot and duck, fall back, duck, shoot, duck, fall back, duck. Duck, duck, duck. This is a forward step, down, side step. Simple shit. You don't fucking train shit, Tyree. You don't know what you're talking about. And I want to show you. I want to show you. Maybe it'll be like giving you a fucking spanking, but what I want to do, I want to collapse your motherfucking cheek, dude. I want to collapse, make your face even more ugly. You'll remember me forever. You'll want to kill me after that. I swear to God, I'll hit you so hard with the fucking hook. So hard with the hook. Shit, I'll let you throw your little bitch punches at me, and I'll grab you by the ear and just push into it. I'll grab you by your fucking ear, boy. Yourself right there. Have a good night, brother. So, no shadow boxing. So, jab, jab, feint. Whole different dynamic when I start throwing the kicks in there though. Tyree, I'm gonna be up here, it's 10 o'clock. I'll be up here till 2. I'm just getting started. I'm gonna have a beer, have some water, relax, take a smoke, meditate. I would go live right now if it would let me, but this shit ain't letting me go live. The shovel's the main thing that I'm gonna be working with today to build up shoulder strength for heavier bows and to build up just muscle memory, upper body, shoulder, lat strength. Let's see you fucking use a shovel, Tyree. Oh, I've never done this. I ain't never done any hard work in my life. Go sweep those floors, boy. Go sweep those floors. How you doing, brother? Anyways, fight me, Tyree. Seriously, what do you got to fucking lose besides maybe getting your cheek? That would be my signature. I'll collapse your motherfucking eye socket, okay? That'd be what I'd go for. That'd be the most injury I'd do.